guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. I know you have seen this face in one of my videos before. So tonight I will be introducing him officially. Meet Rick. My what?
Your other half. Or my half. My other half.
My other half, as he says. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a ice cream eating challenge without hands.
So without hands?
Hands, yes, hands on the table.
So we have to dip
Just
mouth down.
you have to use your mouth alone.
Well,
So let's see who will win.
let we see. I'm gonna see.
So, hey, ice cream. When me I eat ice cream, I want a little bit put in my mouth, you know, because it cramp me, you know. So, but me not make that.
Well, I'm a bit cold, so
You're cool.
it's gonna cramp a little bit. So. Let we see how it goes. We see what I'm gonna be the winner, you know?
Let's see how it goes. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Mark, set, go. What have you used on?
Yes, you know, hand for you.
Me can't reach the ice cream.
Put on the plate. It's all cream.
We do that in the ice cream, right?
In case I'm more than ask.
Take time, no?
No, but yeah, go done. But yeah, use that. Put on the plate.
Take time, man. Sure.
Wala na.
Not if you know.
So, but,
Me chin how me nose I eat more than my mouth. No. What's it? Get on,
me first of me. You know, them before. No.
Me boss.
Me the bath.
Whole of your side ice cream. Can't win again.
I'm finished. Let's look at that play.
You couldn't take time.
I'm finished, guys. Always, it is on my nose and under my chin, but I can't reach that. I have to go and wipe off my mouth. So, here's Fia not finished yet, but she have to finish it. I'm through. Yeah. I'm finished. I'm done. I'm finished. I'm finished.
My gosh.
There you go.
Me vex.
I'm finished.
Oh my. Ice
There's
cream.
I am a bit cold.
The ice cream I cramp me, man. Could do better.
You could have beat me. If you put on one rotten cabbage or so, you still can't beat me.
Me say.
You want to go through it? One pot of rice, you can't manage me.
Me
That's
tell
me.
you.
That's me.
Me tell you.
That's me. Well, see there, guys. Tell her I said she could have win me. Don't tell her I find a room already. She said, let's do it.
I am the loser. Oh my
So
god.
you lose. I bet.
Let me finish now, see up my face, yeah?
No way you can put it away now because you don't lose her. You don't know. You can put it away.
You know, go away.
You don't lose early.
Oh
So,
my god.
I'm the boom for the night, okay? Yes, guys. I'm the boom.
What you want for your prize?
What you want to have? What is on the front line?
Nothing.
Well, if I even late in the night, nothing wrong.
Here you are,
Nothing wrong. I will wait.
Go fierce. Look there. Go fierce. Ice cream face. Alright guys, challenge is over. You see the winner over here.
I'll use a piece of cake.
I tried.
I'm still eat. Remember, say piece of ice in there if I keep the dinner dish.
Here I know.
I'm still need to. I see you still have ice cream, so if you look at ice cream, I dash away. I'm gonna use the piece of cake.
No sir, me lose already.
If you say that
No want no cake. Alright guys,
it was gonna lose.
that is it for this challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.